What was the experience of African Americans during World War II in combat and at home?
World War II was really a watershed for African Americans. In fact, I would say that this is where the modern civil rights movement really begins, in World War II. And I think what happens is the contradiction between the rhetoric of American life and the reality of segregation and racism becomes a public issue for the first time, you might say, since Reconstruction. After all, the United States is fighting World War II in part to repudiate Nazi race theories, the theory of a master race, that one group is superior to another, with horrifying consequences, which people learned at the end of the war. And yet we had our own system of master races and inferior races in the United States. And many people, both black and white, began to say, this is a contradiction. How can we talk about, equality in the world, or democracy in the world, when we don't really have democracy at home? Moreover, the mobilization for war drew millions of blacks out of the South into defense employment, into the army. It really reshaped the racial map of the country. Millions moved north, millions moved west. They went into the army. Of course, in the army they were segregated, they were maltreated, but the experience of change, the experience of fighting, mobilized a whole generation of African Americans to fight for what they called the double V, victory abroad, but also victory at home over segregation and inequality.